What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. Alright, there we go. Now it's square up. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254, and you tune in for another one. What we got today is unboxing from LMC Truck. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, I appreciate y'all tuning in for this video. Shout out to the guys at LMC Truck. I got my package pretty quick. I'm still waiting on another part, but I'm not going to prolong the video on that because the majority of my order was in this box. So when the other part gets here, whenever it gets here, I'll do that in a separate video. Shout out to all the sponsors. If you need that Oh My Clear that you see on the C10, which is what the contents of this box is for, then make sure you use that code LSCR10 to get 10% off that Oh My Clear. So when you see it, it's gonna make you say it. I ain't gonna do it. People is trying to sleep. It's like 11 o'clock at night. Just got off work, but my package is here and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna record this video. But you know, oh my god. Oh my god. Little one. Also, man, if you need any parts for your LS swap parts, for your LS swap vehicle, man, make sure you check out them guys over at LSX Innovations. We will have some videos here in the future. We do have a bracket from them and some other small parts that we're going to be installing on the builds, so definitely make sure you go check out their site. Doesn't matter if you're just doing a regular build or if you're doing like a LSA boosted or a turbo or something, man, go check them out. They got something for everybody. Use that code LSCR free shipping, LSCR free ship, and get free shipping on your order. So yeah, thank you. All right, let's get the box open. I'm being ghetto today. I got a nail. Yes, people, a nail. So we're gonna use this nail. We're gonna get this thing open and go from there. That's the church's money. Hopefully the audio and everything is good. I'm trying to get away from recording on my phone, man. We just spent this bread on this camera. So any opportunity, especially an opportunity like this one, we can sit down and, you know, it ain't gotta be necessarily a talking head or like a walking vlogging video, then we can go ahead and we can do that. So let's get into the box. So here, oh, look at that, that's nice. That is nice. So here what we have are tail light gaskets. These just go around the outside of the tail light to make sure that everything is sealed, no water gets in there, etc., etc. I don't know if y'all saw in the other video, I already have the new tail light lenses with the chrome trim, so we got those. We also went ahead and I ordered the little bolts for each tail light. Could I have found them at a store? Probably. Did I want to go with the back and forth and try to find which ones was gonna fit the right way? Not really. I'm really just ready to put these cars together. They wasn't that much. I said screw it, and I probably would have ended up paying more trying to get them separately, buying them somewhere else, and then they not even fit the way that they were supposed to fit. So these are gonna be the screws that hold in the tail lights. I'm not gonna do really part numbers because you can look on your website or through your catalog and you can get whatever part numbers you need. Actually, they just sent me, actually I have the latest catalog right here. This is 2020 edition volume 3. This is the latest one they sent me. So yeah, if you reach out to them, man, you can get a free catalog. Just put in like your year, make, and model, and they'll send you a book, and then you can go through there, man, and start to rebuild your C10. That's the beautiful thing about the C10 build, man. There is no lack of parts at all, like at all. You know what I'm saying? So you can definitely put it together. Maybe we can get on the cover of the LMC truck magazine or the catalog. That's a nice looking truck right there. So I don't know, who knows? You know, your boy is a photographer, so I mean, pretty sure I can make my truck look good in the picture, and you know, maybe just maybe you get her where she needs to go. Oh, and he has like a truck. It says, join the family, share your truck journey, lmctrucklife.com. Interesting. All right, but back to the box. All right, so we also have an invoice in here. What is this? 364461. 364460. I know it had like a thing on it, like it wasn't it. I don't know. In there, so confused. Ready. All right, so here, like I said the last time we walked around the truck, it was pretty much walk around front to back. So being that my tail lights do have that chrome trim around them, I wanted to get the same for my side fender lights. So you can see that that's pretty. Get close up on that. Oh yeah, that's nice. So as for, see what size it is. Based off the part number, this is the right hand. So this is the passenger side, and then we have the driver side. And it's always a good time, or a good thought, or a good idea to, you know, check your package upon receiving it to make sure that, you know, nothing's damaged or anything like that. So yeah, look at that one. That one looks good too. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. Bling bling. So definitely loving that. Definitely gonna compliment that oh my clear with that oh my god. And then of course, you know, we got our LED bulbs that's ready to go behind there and get that popping. There is one more box. Oh, hold on. I was gonna skip over something. So this is the spring. This here is the spring for the headlight. Part number. There you can see it in the bag. Nothing major, just a spring. It is what it is. Let me get my handy dandy screw. So we can open up this last little box that we got here. Where did I put the screw at? Put that back in the box so we don't lose nothing. Alright, so this box here, well, I guess you'll see when I open it. So in this box, as you can see, I got a new headlight. 4656 LL Phillips halogen. Now I was gonna originally do the LED joints, but at this point I really just want to kind of get it together and get it going, and then kind of go from there. So either way, I was gonna need a headlight, so I'll just run this in there for now, and then I'll worry about upgrading it down the line, maybe after the Cutlass is done. But the main part that I needed from them was this housing. All right, so the back of it, and then you got the front of it. This has like a nice little chrome trimming to it. Yeah. So yes, that's nice. So yeah, so basically, what happens is your light is going to go in here, like so. I don't know if I got that the right way. I think it's like that, and then this comes around, and then your light is secured in this housing. I believe it has the screws for that, and then there is this spring that's going to attach here, and then there's also some adjusting screws that come, and I actually already have them because I bought them from work. So we pretty much good to go on this, man. We got everything we need. So with the addition of these new parts, we can go ahead and we can assemble pretty much the front of the truck and the back. We can get those tail lights put in, get the lenses on, get the headlight in. Yeah, get our headlights in, make sure they're working, and then from there we'll be ready to proceed and put the grill on, put the front bumper on, and then move to the back bumper, you know, everything like that. So but yeah, that's pretty much it, man. A little unboxing, just showing y'all, you know, what we working with. Like I said, behind the scenes, been ordering stuff, trying to get stuff coming in and everything like that. There is another piece. It's just not here yet. And like I said, when it does get here, I'll make another video for that. So appreciate y'all rocking with your boy, man. It's your boy LS Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS Rod 254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. So the following message has been brought to you by LS Rod 254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Rod or Caprice today.